Let's see if this reminds me of my youth.
How was that? It's still good?
You're the best.
Oh, thank you, Giancarlo.
Oh, thank you.
It was fun cooking with you guys.
The
You're the best.
Welcome back, Mommy. You're now in the kitchen with my honey and I.
Hi.
Yes. Hello.
What are you making?
Pizzaiola.
What is pizzaiola?
It's meat and sauce.
What kind of meat are you using?
What is it, veal?
Veal. It's simple, right?
Yeah,
It's easy.
fast.
Fast.
In
So
20 minutes, you're done.
we're gonna be eating in 20 minutes? There's
Yeah.
only a few ingredients I see here.
That's
You've got
it.
passata.
Yes.
You've got your veal.
Yeah.
You've got some fresh tomatoes.
Yes.
And some fresh mozzarella. Let's cook.
We're gonna start to make in the sauce. Is it on? Put this one in here, olive oil, whatever. You just put it in. I don't measure it. Gonna get the garlic going. I put one garlic,
1 clove?
one clove, yes. Salt. Turn a little bit, not too long, otherwise it burns.
How do you want these cut? Quartered?
Half.
Just half?
Yeah, thank you, Kristen.
You're welcome.
We're gonna add the tomatoes. You gotta let it cook a little bit, and then you're starting to mash it. You know what? I need a fork.
You're just smashing the tomatoes down with a fork?
Yes.
Smells good already.
Those are all smashed now, the tomatoes. Now we're gonna add the tomato sauce. Again, not measure it. Okay, so now we're gonna let it cook it for about 10 minutes. We're gonna add the meat. I'm gonna add a little bit of water. And I'm gonna add salt, some pepper, and a bit of oregano. We need a lid for that. Thank you. I'm gonna put the lid on, let it cook a little bit. And I need the mozzarella. Then we'll do the sliced mozzarella. This is easy. See, you can even make it. Oh, what did I do here? Sorry, guys. What did I do here? Did I shut everything off? So I cooked the meat. I left it for about 5 to 7 minutes, one side. Now you gotta turn them around the meat. You don't wanna overlap. So now we gotta cook it slow here, okay? Okay, now we're gonna add the cheese. Every piece, one here, one here. You know what, I'm gonna make it cheesy. So I'm making it cheesy. Okay, so this is gonna cook now a little longer. Put the lid back. It's gonna cook until the cheese melts. It's all cooked. So now we take them out of the oven and put it in the pan. It's all kind of, see, all the cheese. You see it's like a pizza. Sorry, I'm making a mess.
Here, do you want a spoon so you can get some more sauce?
Yes, I will. Go ahead, you do it. You have to eat it with bread. We got more sauce over there if you want more for later.
Did you measure anything when you cooked today?
Nope. Okay, so it's about one mozzarella, some sauce. I don't measure it.
I know, we don't measure.
Is it good?
Very good.
Mom, say bye to all your fans.
Wow.
Tell them goodbye.
Goodbye, everybody.
Bye, everyone.
Enjoy. I'll see you soon. Subscribe and follow, okay?